Hi, I'm Jean, and this is the English Experience, and I want to welcome you. I actually have something very exciting for us today. We're going to do some verbs, and these aren't your ordinary verbs. Actually, we probably don't use them every day, but they can come up at any moment. You might hear them at any time in any setting because they're very common verbs, although we may not use them every day. So, ready? Let's get started. Let's start with the first and probably the best verb of them all. This one. What is that? What am I doing? This is a smile. I'm smiling. I wake up in the morning and smile. I didn't smile today, but I smiled a lot yesterday. I love to see children smile. Smile. Let's go on to the next. What is this? What is that? Do you know the verb for that? That verb is laugh. To laugh. Be careful with the pronunciation there because sometimes when people look at the word and they look at the spelling, they mispronounce the GH at the end of that word. But in this word, the GH actually makes an F sound, like family or fun or father. So that GH makes the F sound in the word laugh, laughter. Are you laughing at me? Don't laugh at me. They laughed at me in school yesterday. Laugh. What if you want to say hello to someone? What is this action? What is this? Do you know that verb? That is called wave. To wave. You're waving at someone. Hey, she can't see us. I'll wave at her so she can see us. I saw a really cute boy at the party and I waved at him. Wave. Waving, waved. To wave. Let's talk about a few things you might do if you want to flirt or if you want to be very friendly with someone. What are some of the things that we do with our face? Let's look at a few more verbs. Here's the first. Do you know this verb? What is that? I'm terrible at this, sorry. But what is this action called? What do we call that? That is a wink. We call that a wink. Sometimes when people flirt, they might wink, right? So you can wink at someone, someone else can wink at you. In past tense, I met a cute boy at the party and I winked at him. Winked. Good. Let's try another. What is something else we might do with our face when we are flirting? This one is particularly for girls. We might do something like this. What is that? What is that? So, if we do this, that's called blinking. We might blink, but everybody blinks. But for a woman, if she blinks very quickly, a lot of them like this. We actually got two verbs here. You can blink, or you can bat or flutter your eyelashes like that. Let's talk about another. Our next verb that we sometimes associate with flirting is this. Do you know this? What is that? What is that? We actually call that blowing kisses. To blow a kiss. We call that blowing kisses. When you flirt, do you blow kisses? Do you blow kisses or wink or just smile? Do you flutter your eyelashes? Our next action, what is this? What is that? That is coughing, to cough. And similar to the word laugh, the last sound in that word sounds like an F. It sounds like an F. Laugh, cough, cough. So sometimes when people are sick, they start to cough. But that's not the only thing that they do. Perhaps they do this one also. Achoo! Achoo! What is that? Do you know the verb for that? That is a sneeze. To sneeze. So when I get sick, I usually start sneezing if I have an allergy to plants. Maybe I sneeze a lot when I'm outside. So coughing and sneezing are things that we usually do if we're ill or not feeling very well. Let's talk about a couple of verbs that we use to express frustration or irritation. How about this? Let's look at the face. What is this? Sometimes we see children make that face, right? That is a frown. And like most of the verbs we've considered today, they are nouns and verbs because it's a frown, but that is also what you are doing. You are frowning. Tell me, what happened? I noticed that you were frowning. Why are you frowning? What happened? To frown. Then we have another, and this is a way to express a little bit of attitude. What is this? Okay, what is this? What is that? We call that rolling your eyes. To roll your eyes. So when you're very irritated or annoyed with a situation, sometimes we roll our eyes. There's even an emoji for it. Yeah, so my mother never let me roll my eyes at her. I would get into trouble if I rolled my eyes at my mother. To roll your eyes. I hope that you enjoyed that video, and I hope that it has helped you to learn a few new verbs, to talk about some expressions. So let's do a quick review of all of the verbs that we learned today. So, a wave, a smile, a laugh, a frown, batting the eyelashes, blinking, winking, rolling your eyes, blowing kisses, coughing, sneezing. That's it. It was fantastic to spend this time with you all. Please leave me a comment, like this video, and I'll see you again for the next one. Bye. I'm waving. Bye.